fog. Make sure you see the complete video on this station 57. It is now January 2019. This work started in 2018, about 3 or 4 months ago. And evidently they're aiming to wind it up and complete the necessary repairs. I'm still at a loss because I asked, but they say that there is going to be an elevator here. A lady told me that, I don't know, the Handicap Society or whoever governed that handicap access, there's a mandate that each station be handicap accessible. Why a major station service in Central Park, immediate, doesn't have a handicap escalator system or elevator system. I don't know. I just look at them in an efficient manner. In my efficient manner, I guess it's not the MTA way. Yeah, not to say that my system is more efficient than what the MTA is instituting. The green is Central Park, the red is the station without an handicap entrance or exit. I suppose if you have to get into the station, you can call the MTA and they'll provide you service by way of one of these tractors, mechanical transformers. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn them notifications on. And don't be shy. Drop me a line, tell me what is going on. You know, this is not a color or size thing. This is a convenience of our infrastructure incorporating the convenience of everyone.